Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that arises in data manipulation tasks. The problem at hand involves updating columns E and F based on the values of the diff column in a data frame. We want to assign values from columns B and C to E and F, respectively, when diff is either 1 or 1, and propagate these values until a change in diff occurs. Now let's delve into the solution that will help us achieve this task efficiently. We can use the Professource API functionalities to accomplish our goal seamlessly. Starting with a chained approach, we can utilize the when.then method to select values based on the condition e = 0. Next, we can employ the .forward_fill function to propagate these selected values. Finally, we can utilize .fill_null to handle the remaining 0 values appropriately. In the provided code snippet, the columns E1, E2, and E3 are created to illustrate each step of the process. E3 is the final column that correctly updates values in E based on the conditions specified in the diff column. This approach ensures a smooth and accurate transformation of the data frame, addressing the requirements of the problem effectively. Taking a closer look at the output generated by the code snippet, we can observe the progression of value assignments in column E based on the conditions in the diff column. The intermediate columns E1 and E2 showcase the process of selecting and propagating values, leading to the final column E3 with the desired updates. Continuing with the solution, we can repeat a similar process for columns F and C by utilizing the same techniques of selecting, propagating, and filling null values. This systematic approach ensures consistency in updating the values of columns E and F, in alignment with the conditions specified in the diff column. To sum up, by employing the outlined methodology using the Professource API functions, we were able to effectively update the values in columns E and F based on the given criteria. Remember to experiment with different scenarios to further explore the capabilities of the Professource library. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more data manipulation tips and tricks.